Lesson 14. Reading practice number 7. Dear Professor Dwight, you will recall that on June 22, you asked me to quote you a prize on the building of a study on the east side of your dwelling at 600 Park Street, period. After I visited your premises, I quoted you a price of $4,000 if you would authorize us to begin work by July 15, but I have not had an answer to my offer. Paragraph. As you will know, inflation is taking its toll, and if I cannot get started by July 15, I will have to withdraw the price I quoted you and increase it by 10%. Paragraph. Why not call me today, Professor Dwight, and authorize me to proceed with the building of your study, period. Very truly yours. Lesson 14, reading practice number 8. Dear friend, if you can give a positive answer to the following queries, you qualify for a car loan at the National Credit Corporation, paragraph number 1. Are you 18 or older? Paragraph number 2. Do you have a steady job at which you earn at least $90 a week? Paragraph. If so, we are ready to finance a new car for you when you need it, period. If you prefer, we will hold your loan for 3 weeks, period. Meanwhile, you can look for just the car that meets your needs. Paragraph. Send for our booklet listing all our loan plans, period. Better still stop in at the National Credit Corporation today, period. There is no red tape involved in arranging a loan, period. It is quick and easy, period. Sincerely yours. Lesson 14, reading practice number 9. Mr. White, yesterday I visited the Broadway office supply shop and selected 2 desk lamps for the office of Mr. Smith, our chief editor, period. He has needed these lamps for weeks, period. They should help him increase his efficiency, period. The lamps were on sale and I was able to get both for only $85. Paragraph. The lamps have been shipped from the shop and should arrive at our office soon. Paragraph. The bill for $85 is attached. Period. Grace Baldwin. Lesson 14, reading practice number 10. Dear Madam, when you have a national air travel credit card, buying tickets on coastal airlines is quick and quite simple, period. All you need do is pick up your phone, call 555-8702. Tell our efficient clerk the city you plan to visit and give him or her your credit card number, period. Your tickets will be mailed the same day. Paragraph. If you would like us to provide this credit card service to your officers, fill in and send us the enclosed card, period. We will take care of all the details, period. Very truly yours.